getting ready to tear into the Hyundai again. This time I just need to replace the alternator. But since I'm doing it, I figured I would do an update on the thread repair and how it's holding up. In the video where I did the thread repair, I ended up basically putting new thread inserts throughout the whole block just because I didn't want to have to tear this thing apart again. So far, the heads are holding up really well. About a year ago, I did have some oil control valves go bad, which caused the phaser to go bad, and there was the oil filter housing started leaking, and it seemed like there was something else that was leaking as well, but I can't remember what it was. And it concerned me at first because I thought, oh crap, the heads are going again. But I did have to tear into the motor again, change the phasers. I ended up having to change the intake cams, which wasn't quite expected, but at that point, what are you going to do, you know? So I got it all cleaned up, got it all put back together, and so far, I've not had any leakage. It's kind of hard to see because there's not a whole lot of space to get in there, but that area there, when you get leaks, usually is a small lake of oil down in there. And try to get the light in the right spot. It's pretty much all still dry as a bone, which is a good thing. Down in there was a lot of oil visible at the time, and I don't know how well that's going to show up. Probably not very well, but it's dry as a bone as well. Back in the back here, I don't know how much you're gonna be able to see there either, but that was soaked with oil when I did it. It is what it is, but that's dry. And then the side cover here, it's pretty dry. I got a little seepage around that tensioner coming from something. It's probably, you'd think after having this thing apart 3 different times, I'd be pretty an expert at the RTV thing, but maybe not. You see down in there, it's all pretty dry still. So overall, it's still going good. It's got about 205,000 on it now, which honestly, this Hyundai, had I not had the abilities to do the repairs, I probably would have let this thing go a long time ago. The second set of repairs I did ended up costing a lot more than I was anticipating, just because I had to buy those cams after I already had it tore apart, and realized that the old phasers wouldn't work on, or the new phasers wouldn't work on the old cams. So it's a 205,000 mile Hyundai. I can't say that I'd buy another one, honestly. I mean, I think now I'm good. I'm gonna try to get 300 out of it. But the thread inserts have held up really well. I'm really happy with that. Hopefully that'll never be a problem again. If it is, I'll probably be done with this Hyundai. But otherwise, it's been a pretty good car. So hope this helps somebody out if you're curious of how well those inserts will last. So thanks for watching. Talk to you later.